Always been a fan of turon, banana Q and Maruya, but I think banana Q and turon is quite hard to cook, but today we're going to try to make Maruya. Here, I'll show you how, just continue watching this video. For this Maruya recipe, we are going to tweak it a bit. We're going to use glutinous rice flour. So for this recipe, we're going to add half cup of all-purpose flour, half cup of glutinous rice flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of baking powder. Then we're just going to add half cup of water. You can add more if you want the batter a little bit more liquid. And we'll just mix it until it's all combined. If you see that the batter is a little bit thick like this, you can add more water. So we're slowly adding another half cup of water until we reach our desired consistency. We're just going to add a pinch of yellow food coloring to achieve that authentic Maruya color. Banana that we are going to use today are Saba bananas, or what they call Cardava bananas in other countries. I'll try to show you how they do the traditional Maruya recipe, the Maruya kind of cutting the bananas. So this is the traditional way of doing Maruya. You slice it to make it look like a fan. We will just dip our bananas in the batter. And we're just going to fry it in very hot oil. So when it's golden brown, we'll get it already and put it on a stir. So while it's still hot, to sprinkle white sugar on top of it. Or you can also coat your Maruya like this on white sugar. So let's try our Maruya recipe. It's crunchy and not so sweet. Try mo.
Ito lang.
Ay, maliit.
Yummy.
O, kagat mo. Kagat ito. O, crunchy.
Wow, crunchy.
O, pwede lang. Endorser.